You're watching KX News, putting North Dakota first.
Here in the KX Weather Lab with meteorologist Robert Suhr. And Robert, although today begins 2020, the recent blizzard capped a year that's also brought its share of severe weather and record cold, really.
Yeah, it does indeed, Nicholas. And tonight, KX News is looking back at all the key weather moments of 2019 that had you talking.
It's North Dakota. You expect anything?
This is something that impacts folks who are even just walking to school, walking to class.
I'll tell you what, my app told me that it is about 14 below, but it feels like 41 below, and I can attest to that.
Pray for some clouds tonight, because I'm not expecting clouds, but there's a slight possibility there could be some areas that get a little cloud covered. That will help keep the temperature from plummeting so much.
We'll start seeing those 50 below numbers once we get into this afternoon.
You mentioned the word dangerous wind chills. Up here, we're using the words life-threatening wind chills because that's actually what it is.
This is the worst by far. I've worked here since 2001, and this is the worst by far.
It's been a record year for snowfall here in Ashley, and if you're wondering how much snow, try nearly 100 inches.
We had been sent pictures, but the pictures don't do justice to just how much snow there is.
Bismarck set an all-time record today for most snowfall in a 24-hour period.
I am getting tired of it, and at 77, I shouldn't be out here shoveling snow, but nobody ever accused me of being smart.
The Missouri River continues to rise.
Right now, the river is going at about 4 miles per hour, and that is quite fast for a body of water this large.
We now have a tornado warning for northeast Daniels County out there in northeast Montana.
Here's another look at accumulated rainfall, south of Bismarck, over 3 inches of rain.
Storm started kicking up in the area. This is video from around the Bismarck Events Center.
Real true flash flooding is fairly rare in North Dakota.
2 people are dead after flash flooding in Sioux County last night into this morning.
Trudy Peterson was on her way to work from Mobridge to a hospital in Fort Yates and most likely never saw the road, was washed away because it was dark and rainy.
An EF1 tornado devastated sections of Mott.
Somebody stopped me and asked me if I'd been up to the car wash, and I said no. I went up there and pulled in the parking lot, and I said, oh my God. I mean, there's 16 doors, there's 1 door in, and the roof was gone. When you see, two 50,000 bushel steel grain bins, crushed in like a paper cup, then you sort of say, wow, that you understand the power of the storm.
It's going to go down as the second wettest year on record in Bismarck. We've had just over 29.5 inches of precipitation for the year. The record is just under 31 inches.
As the water continues to rise across many portions of North Dakota, many farmers are left looking at acres of unharvested land underwater.
We're not set up for this much moisture. We don't know how to handle it, so to speak. It's kind of like you're living in Iowa because they get this much moisture.
For some parts of North Dakota, this September was the wettest on record.
Hopefully I don't lose much, but we will. It's going to cost us a lot of dollars to get them out of here now.
Devastating. I don't know how to tell you. I mean, it almost makes you sick thinking about it.
I'm telling you, there's not a whole lot of solutions here. We are learning as we're going.
Many farmers are stuck with crops buried under feet of snow.
Right now, we'll be happy with what we get in the condition they're in. If they would have got knocked down, combining sunflowers is a nightmare.
We haven't had a situation like this in many years where we've had record amounts of snow in the month of October.
If we do end up with a foot of snow over the next couple of days, it'll only be the second time on record in the capital city.
The snow is just really picking up. The roads are getting a lot slipperier right now.
What I always tell folks is that it's also North Dakota. So to see something like this, I'm not surprised, but we don't typically see it.
A lot of people got a lot of snow. These are just some of the ones that jumped out at me.
A raging blizzard could be rumbling in.
You can see heaviest amounts to the east, quite obviously, lighter amounts to the west. It's right in the middle where we're looking at the biggest uncertainty.
If you do plan to make a weekend trip for the holidays, you will need to probably be off the road by supper time tomorrow.
A lot of people saw a lot of snow there. You can see almost 2 feet in Lipsey there, 20 inches in Ellendale, 17 in Jamestown.
Our concern now, of course, is what is the flood risk for the spring? And right now that is higher. That risk of flooding is higher than an average year in North Dakota.
Now, In addition to everything you just saw there, North Dakota also had a rare death, Nicholas, caused by a lightning strike when a 32-year-old man was struck and killed back on August 4th. He was working at the Schnell Recreational Trail outside of Richardson in Stark County.
Thank you so much for that look back. Thanks to, again, all the meteorologists and our reporters. We appreciate all your hard work. Stay tuned. Coming up next, welcoming in the new year and a bundle of joy. And Robert will take one last look at your forecast.